In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create images for your motivated seller Facebook ads inside of Canva. For the best marketing and tech advice for real estate investors, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be notified every time we put out a new video so you never miss it. I'm Lee with REI Blackbook, and we help thousands of real estate investors automate and scale their business using our software and through our education programs. Last week, our director of marketing, Josh, kicked off our Facebook ads video series with this video right here, talking about the top 5 reasons why you should be using Facebook ads to generate motivated seller leads for your business. Be sure to check that out if you missed it. Now, of course, we're going to get to creating the Facebook ad campaign inside of Facebook itself, but before you can do that, you're going to need your ad creative. So what I mean by that is you're going to need the copy for the ads, you're going to need any images or any videos or anything like that you're going to put into the ad itself. Now, when it comes to ad copy, we've got you covered. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on our free Facebook ads template. One of our REI Blackbook users used this exact ad copy to generate a lead within a week of launching his campaign. That lead turned into a deal that he was able to close. It was a fix and flip deal, and his total ad spend for acquiring that lead was $140. So if you want to get your hands on that Facebook ads copy template, stick around to the end of the video. I'll show you exactly where to go to get it. But for right now, we're going to dive into Canva, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create images that will act as kind of a digital bandit sign for your business. So let's dive into my computer and let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to head into Google Maps to pull up a photo of a house in your market. So I'm in Nashville, so that's what we're looking at here. If you know that there is a specific neighborhood that you are wanting to search in, go ahead and type it in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the bottom right hand screen here, corner of the screen, and grab this little yellow guy. Oop. And you're just going to drag him and drop him right into the map. And that's going to bring you into this 3D view. And what I like to do is look around and see if we can find a house that doesn't have a car in front of it or a tree or anything like that. This one looks pretty good to me. And then you just want to line it up. And then take a screenshot. If you're on a Mac, you push Command-Shift-S. If you are on a PC, the Windows key plus Shift-S, and that will bring up the option to take a screenshot. And so when we take this, we're going to take it a little bit off center, and I'll explain why in just a minute. That looks pretty good to me. Then once you've got that photo, then you're going to head over to Canva. Now, Canva has a really great free version of their design tool that you can use. Quick question before we go on. I just want to know, are you currently using Canva for design for your business, or what other tools are you using? If you're not, let me know in the comments below. So we're going to come up here to create a design, and they actually do have a template for Facebook ads, so we're going to click on that. Then if you come over on the side here to uploads, and you go to upload media, I'm going to go to the device here. Here is the most recent screenshot I took, and we're going to hit open. And then you can just double click on that to add it. Oh, we added 2. You can double click on it to add it to your canvas, and then go ahead and drag it over and line it up with the edge and stretch it out so that it fills up your whole canvas there. And then once you've got that looking pretty good, then you're going to come on over to the Elements tool here. And then you can search for square. There it is. Click it to add it to your canvas. I'm going to go ahead and make this yellow. So if you come up here to the search bar, you can actually just type in the name of the color you want to use. And then we're going to drag this. This is why we had it off center, so that we have space to have this little digital bandit sign. So then we're going to go to text. We're going to add a bit of text, and then you can just grab it and drag it up onto the square here. I'm going to say, sell your Nashville house fast. I'm going to highlight it, come up here to make that text bigger. There we go. If you, and center it on there. And then if you want to call the market out just a little bit more, go ahead and highlight the name of your market. And then let's make that red. And then let's go ahead and highlight all of it and make it bold. And once you've got that looking the way you want it to, then come on up here to name it something that you will recognize. So I'm going to call this Nashville Motivated Seller Ad Graphic. And then you just click download. And just like that, you have the perfect little Digital Bandit sign ad created, saved on your computer, and ready to be uploaded into your Facebook ad campaign. Hey guys, so if you want our free Facebook ads template, I've linked to it in the description below this video. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you're notified every time we put out a new video. We put videos out every single Monday to help you guys understand how to automate and scale your real estate investing business. Last question before I go, are you currently using Facebook ads as part of your lead acquisition strategy for motivated sellers? How's it working for you? What challenges are you running into? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you next week.